is pouring down. See, it's all white out there, and I'm driving myself to work today. Ah! Oh God, I'm not prepared. But this is bad. Look at this. Well, starts our week. Poured rain last night, like downpour, like rain, like cold rain, right? And now it's snowing. So I kid you not, these roads are literal ice. There's nothing I would tolerate the snow, but wet and freeze, you're basically driving on a skating rink at this point. Hey. Y'all, I'm heading home and I can barely see. That's problem number one. It's been snowing all day. And point number one is that I can barely see, and I think my windshield wipers are frozen with snow and ice on them. Thought I cleaned it off, but not apparently enough. Should probably pull into this place and try to clean them off some more. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna try to get, because my what I can see right now is far too little, and I have to bend, like crouchish, to see it. I'll be right back. Oh my gosh! Let me tell you, it comes with everything I hate about the snow. It is wet. It's not just snow. It's snow mixed with rain. It's wet. Ugh. I'm gonna go charge. Actually quite like how pretty and clear it is with the snow on the ground. Like, not really snow, really. See? Careful, it's icy. Come.
Wrong door, but okay.
Hey y'all, so I was trying to do a little bit of shopping today. I was trying to get a gymnastics outfit for my little girl, and I don't know where to get any. I was trying to, like, I had one in my cart for a while that I planned to buy on Amazon, but y'all, the Canada Post strike, it's been going on for a while now, and I've just decided, like, you know, let me just put off getting some things until the strike is over, like. But it's really dragging out. Like, I'm trying to support y'all. I really want to support y'all, but yeah, so, but anyway, for these cute little decor, it's a box. It's a box. It looks like a book. It's a special delivery notebook. And there's another one. It says Christmas Eve stories. Did you see that? This one looks a little bit more believable, but decor. I'm going through it, y'all. Mentally, I'm going through it. But I'm trying not to pick up the camera and come talk to y'all with my funky attitude or my funky mood. But, yeah, the cold has arrived in Saskatchewan, like real cold, like the top tier -20 type of deal. Today it was a little bit warmer, it was around 0-ish. Jesus, I just said warmer for 0. But anyway, and so no, it's not white and pretty anymore. It's plaka and brown. But welcome back to the fold. Y'all, I can't do Vlogmas. Like, I saw your comments, and some people reach out and said, you know, do the Vlogmas. I can't. I don't have the time, and like, I can't commit. Does that make sense? I can't commit to it. Yeah, so let me show y'all something. So this bag right here is a bag from our car. It's our car kit. It's got this really thick blanket in there in case we get stuck in the car, and it's got the flashlights, 2 pairs of gloves. This is one, this is another pair. So I'm gonna put in some super thick, some like sweater tops and sweatpants, like 1 suit each for all of us, and socks if we ever get stranded in the car. I think someone told me that I should put honey, because sugar helps. I think I need to, I've got some can of honey. One of my coworkers, if you're in Saskatchewan and you need honey, my coworker makes cosmic honey. You know, it's raw unpasteurized honey. And I've been getting honey from him since I moved to Saskatchewan, basically. I guess, oh no, this is my jar before. That's all that's left. So yeah, I think I don't want to put this one in there. I think we can get another jar from him so I could put it in there. I don't think it'll freeze. I don't think it'll freeze. Shivy. Today is December 3rd and we have not, oh, we need to do this. I'm missing a lot of dates, so I need to work on the calendar for the month. And the advent calendar, we missed a couple of days, so want to open.
What do you mean the advent calendar?
The advent calendar, for...
Oh.
When we finish eat, we'll do it. Yeah. So, I'm sorry I was out for a minute. 1 week I was sick, and then the next week I just mentally couldn't manage it. So, this is where we're at, and I'm gonna do my best to stay with y'all throughout the year, but y'all know how it is. Sometimes you need a little bit of respite. And baby, I've been going through some things, honey. But, you know, trying to stay on top of it, trying to keep my wits about me, and soldier on. Yeah. So, show you some got to be sprayed, like, guys, you see, like, even though the place is cool and stuff, my hair a growth, like the it's staying straight. This is old as hell, but I got new growth coming through. Day one.
Day one? Day one. Day one. This looks like an eye. Okay, got it. Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay, you can do day two. Day two.
Okay, day two. Okay. You just have to wait for 3 days. So, a white one now. Time for number 3. Time for number 3. That's number 3.
very fashionable. I'm going to tell you this right now. So, clothing store. So she can't even keep a plant alive. Come on. That's right. You're laughing too.
You're gonna let her roast your mama like that?
Yeah, you are. This is Team Awesomer right here.
Nowhere like. Can we go on a ride? Well, I mean, it's the thing that's bigger than I am. Hi. Ah! Yay! I want to be here because I want to see the horsey.
That's not fair. Right, I'll sit on you.
Okay. Nothing's wrong with that.
You're so cute.
This side, this side.
You want to say hi?
Hello. Oh, hello on YouTube. We're going on a horsey ride.
She's literally a YouTuber.
Yeah, Clydesdales have the big hairy feet.
Yeah.
They're Apollo and Jinx.
Hi, Paulo and Jinx. it kind of sounds like the Jinx thing. You owe me a soda. You can't talk to us. So
Yeah.
Jinx did jinx us. He was totally black when we bought him. And he turned gray.
Well, gray hairs happen to the best of us, right?
So for perch runs, if you're born jet black, you turn gray. And if you're born mostly brown, you turn black.
Oh.
Yeah.
Jingle all the way. Oh, fun is to ride a one-horse open sleigh. helping out light up the village. How was your first sleigh ride?
He didn't.
You didn't like it?
For
You didn't like your first sleigh ride?
he doesn't look happy. He didn't even look happy on the sleigh ride. He was just like this.
Because that's his permanent state of being.
He's not even
Come,
laughing.
let's get you dinner and in bed. It's bedtime. We stayed all the way out.
But
Yeah. That is our week.
Mommy. Feliz Navidad.
Guys, I bought these tights on Shein. I don't know if I can show you my outfit, but let us try it.
Ouch, my bum.
Girl, get up.
I got
Right. Okay. Out. So this is what they are, right? They are so warm. I bought them on Shein. They are so warm. Totally worth it. Totally worth the hype. Get you some. Alright. Alright, we need to close out for this evening. I'll see y'all. Hey friends. So it's the weekend. It's Friday. And Mama is going to outside. It's very cold. Well, it's not really cold. It's 3 degrees, which is good for us. Baby girl not feeling well, so last night was rough. None of us got any sleep. And this weekend is winter performances, so, and I'm volunteering. Yeah, apparently I found myself being an athlete's mom. We're athletes' parents, and so, you know, being a little bit involved in community is required. So anyway, I have to go pick up some stuff for the show, her gymnastics show. And that requires me making a few stops, but I also need to pick up, I'm trying, like, you saw that earlier this week, I was trying to get like a gymnast outfit and I couldn't find any. I had planned to buy one on Amazon, but with the Canada Post strike and everything, yeah, so I'm just gonna run out, make a quick trip, make a couple of stops to get those things in order. She's not gonna be able to make practice today. She's not gonna be able to, I don't know what her condition is gonna be tomorrow, so but I'm preparing just in case, and you know, making sure everything is on the up and up. Yeah, so
promise not to use